Gentlemen, and statistically very few ladies, what we have here today is a gear swap in the Mustang. So this thing's doing good. It's on about 10 pounds. I drove it around a few times. I want to change a bunch of the wiring and how the sensors go in. I'm going to do flex first and get the boost controller working, make sure those work, and head to the dyno once these gears are in it. So the 327s that came with the V6 rear here that is built, actually this, I don't remember. No, this is a V8 rear. Anyway, it came with 327s and I'm like, well, we'll just, we'll see how those work. And now we're 3 years into this, and what I want to do is, well, I took it out the other day on 10 pounds and I rolled into it in second, and it seemed to be in second gear forever. I was wondering if it was in third. I did about 125 miles an hour in second and confirmed that on the logs and with a gear calculator, and I was like, hot diddly. That ain't good. Also, that's too long for a 4.8. I think my converter needs to be a little bit bigger to help out with this combo. Obviously it was for a 6-liter with tons of torque. Now it has no torque and super long gears, the worst thing you can do to a 4.8. So these are 327s. These are a 28. I have 325 drag radials that are also 28 inches. And the 410 seems to be what'll work out the best for now. I may have to go to a 373, but we'll just put the 410 in for now because my friend had them, and I traded him a Milwaukee weed whacker for him. That's not even a joke. It sounds like a Theo Von story. It's 100% true. So anyway, we're gonna pull the drive shaft off the pinion and then smash in these 410s and put the drive shaft back on and take it for some rips. There's the spool. I want to replace that someday, but we'll make sure the gears are what makes me happy before I have to yank it out again. But everything looks good. The fluid I even want to reuse. I'll see if I can. I don't know how dirty that catch pan is, but everything's apart. Yankee, whatever. And I think these gears, yes, there is no bearing, so I got to get mine off. I don't have a clasp and a press, but what I've done in a pinch many times is you can get just a chisel in there and tap it nicely and it'll come out. And that's what we're gonna do next when I put this down. All right, kids, I got the this makes no sense. I'm out of order here. I got my gears done. I got everything back together. I dropped the drive shaft on my eyeball. That was fun. I saw stars. It was sick. I don't recommend it. I have an awesome thing here from a man sent this in, and let me go get his paperwork because I don't know anything about it. It's daytime. It's daytime, dude. Stop it. Stop. Daytime. So this is awesome. He sent this to my P.O. box, and what an incredible Mr. Cricket. Serious. Let me turn this down. Wow, I'm scattered. It's almost like a drive shaft punched me in the head. This is one of those things you pressurize and it pushes the fluid out. Well, this is perfect because I have to put gear oil in a diff, and we all know how not awesome that is. So my name is Nick Lombardi, and I've been a longtime viewer of Schwappin Mechanics. You have been a fantastic resource as I've worked on my own Megasquirt powered project, and your Turbo Colorado build was a massive inspiration to me. I also loved the LSA G35 build, and while none of my projects have had boost added yet, I know I'll be referencing your tuning and boost control guides when it's done. I'm also a tech guy who didn't get into cars until after high school. Awesome. That's funny. I started with electronics and I got excited. This is what I did, yeah. I got excited about the intersection between electronic controls and physical systems. My build is a 1982 Volvo 242 with the B21. Oh snap. Running an MS2 with sequential ignition and LS coils. Yeah, that's how you do it. Batch fire 680s and a Mark 18T 4G63 cam angle sensor. Wow. A Volvo A50 throttle body, GM coolant and IET, and a 3000 GT VR dude, that's awesome. Oh, and being the masochist that I am, I decided to solder the MS2 kit myself. I did all of my first MS stuff, soldered boards also, because it was cheaper and I had the time. I've been working on bringing a new gear oil pump to market, and I thought it might be something you could use. It's a pretty simple concept, but after breaking a few of the soap dispenser style pumps from the parts stores, I figured I'd work on something better. I hope it's something you can use. I'd love to see this in something you share in one of your opening videos or streams, but no pressure. It's yours to use if you think it would be helpful. That's sick, dude. Isn't it funny that this is not planned, but I got this before I'm doing my 410s here. Thanks for being one of the most knowledgeable and technical guys in the game. Your work and willingness to share has made you an inspiration to so many of us. All the best and keep it sloppy. Thanks, dude. I guess gearkeg.com. Incredible that it's exactly for gear oil. I'm gonna lose my mind. Well, let's hook this thing up. See what it do. All right, guys, only the best, only the best. So I got my stuff set up here. Do you guys want to know a trade secret? A secret? You take your cap and you do that. Look at that. Awesome. So I'm gonna prep this, and I got my airline and my air guy, and it looks like he 3D prints these. He definitely does. Got layer lines, and that's bed adhesion portion, and it's all fantastic. I can't wait to not get this all over me and do this the easy way. So I'm gonna set everything up and then try to film doing it, because I think that'll work out the best, right? All right, can you see up there? Well, you'll see, yeah, you'll see the, there we go, there we go. I think we're good. So I put it in and I screwed it down, extremely easy. I'm shoving the nozzle into the diff. How can we get the most of this on? All right, I can move this out of the way because it's not going to drip that far out. Hose is kind of kinky here because it's long, and assuming you wouldn't be doing this like this. It'll probably inflate and not give me any problems. Oh, look at that. Let's do this and like zigzag it all over the place. Sick. All right, kids, let's get the air hose. Are we ready? Can we see all that? Oh, jeez. The cricket is cheering us on. Can I just... All right. Ooh. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, this has a kink in it too. Bro. No. No. It's flying in. Well, I'm really giving it some beans here. 25 pounds. This is too nice for me. Holy cow. This is such an annoying job. This is amazing. I'm not even getting any on me. Everything's sealed. Oh. Let me tilt. Yep. Yeah, I mean, that's all you're going to get out of that. Wow. Okay, this is sick. This is incredible. So, I guess I'll prep the other bottle. Okay, yeah, we'll wait. We'll wait for you. Let me get the other bottle and go right into it. shove the cap through the seal. I don't think I have a concussion. I don't think so. I don't think it was hard enough. We'll see if I take a nap later for too long. I don't feel tired. And I don't smell burnt matches. So I think I'm gonna be all right. All right, we're gonna go up and oh my! I didn't even spill a drop. I got a tiny bit on my finger though. 2 points to Gryffindor. See now, I don't know. My brain isn't working right now. Apologies. No, it's working. It's working. No. I left the paper on here and it's threading funny. Here we go. I did not rip all the paper away. I got this. Get it on my hands. Get it off my hands. Get it on my hands. All right. Let's put you over here so we can kind of. Let's see if we can do this cinematically. Come on. Go higher. Oh, sweet. Are we back far enough? All right, I'm crowding. I'm crowding myself. All right, let's hook up the airline. Now, yeah, I think that'll be not great, but somewhat visually appealing. Here goes the forbidden iced tea. Yeah, it's just cranking. Oh. Oh. I thought I was... It's pretty much almost empty. I'm gonna stir it. I thought I was like cavitating it or something. Let's pump some foam. Cold foam. That's disgusting. In the best way possible.